Bang, udah bang.
Hello, good morning. My name is Andas Nagatue. I am TI 24A. And my friend,
Hello, good morning. My name is Rina Detimolo. I am TS Lompati.
good morning, Fendi. Have you had a chance to review the new marketing strategy I proposed?
Good morning, Andre. Yes, I have think is great plan. The idea of collaboration with influencers is very effective these days.
I'm glad you agree. Influencers can help you serve our wider audience, especially for our target market.
Absolutely. And focusing of Instagram and TikTok is the right move. Most of our potential customers are effective there.
Exactly. Shall we present this plan to the manager this afternoon?
Yes, I am completely agree. I help you prepare the presentation slide.
Thank you, Fendi. I appreciate your support.